One of the most common questions among baler owners is how to adjust the pickup height on Pro-series balers. Remember to refer to your machine's manuals for machine-specific information. To set pickup teeth to ground distance, place baler on a level surface. Be sure teeth are pointing down and lower pickup until the distance between the top of the tooth and the ground is 1.5 to 1 3/4 inches. Adjust the pickup chain to desired pickup height. Adjust the chains evenly on both sides of the pickup. Now adjust the gauge wheels so they are just clear of the ground. Start by raising the pickup. Pull out the spring clip and position the plate on the notch. Make sure both sides are adjusted to the same hole location in the plate, then replace spring clip. Finally, check that the pickup rests on the chains when lowered and not on the gauge wheels by making sure gauge wheels spin freely.